Hey there. Good morning, guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We will make moussaka. So we have zucchini, eggplant, and potatoes. We're gonna fry this or you can bake it. So we will just put salt and pepper, then fry. Okay? Okay, guys, while we are frying all the vegetables, we will cook the beef. Okay? So we have our olive oil, our onion and garlic. Let's add our ground beef. Let's put our herbs and spices, salt, pepper, okay, tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, okay, cup, beef stock, okay. Let's add our parsley, and cook. Okay, while we're cooking the meat, let's do the bechamel sauce. So we have 4 ounces of butter, unsalted. Let's add our flour, half a cup. Yan lang yan. Mix nyo. It's called roux. Diba? Roux ito. So, roux yan. Inang apoy, let's add our milk. So, dahan-dahanin nyo lang pag-add ng milk, ha? So, mas mahinang apoy para hindi mag-buo-buo. Then, salt. Yan. And then, pepper. Okay, if you have white pepper, just use the white pepper. My God, nabubulol na ako. Yan, just use the okay, let's wait until it's being dissolved. Okay, let's add Parmesan cheese, a cup. Yan. Powder yung nailagay ko, pero you can use the one yung hindi powder. Add egg yolk. 2 egg yolk. So, namumuo-muo na siya. Yan. Buo-buo na. So, konti na lang. And then, we're done. We will just wait off. Everything will cool down. Then, we will assemble. So, ayan. Okay na. Yan. Okay na yung bechamel sauce. Okay. Okay. We will assemble our moussaka. First, our potatoes. Wala sa hulog Ito, konting sprinkle ng parmesan. Konti lang ha. Kasi baka mapaalat. Then our herbs. Ayan. Then one more. Then our meat. Ayan na. Naglobat na tayo. Then our zucchini. Ayan. Zucchini and eggplant. Our sauce. Okay. Top with our ayan. Okay, you can add more cheese, parmesan, little bit lang, sprinkle. Okay, and then let's bake for check 35 minutes or 2 hour to 1 hour. Okay, let's see. Here's our moussaka. And so let's wait until it's cold.